to an unconditional discharge for his conviction on 34 felony counts of falsifying business records. This means Trump received no punishment, no fine, no probation, no jail time, but it does formally make Trump the first president to be convicted of a felony. The president-elect today appeared at his sentencing hearing virtually from Mar-a-Lago. Trump spoke for 6 minutes and blasted the New York court system.
It's been a political witch hunt. It was done to damage my reputation so that I'd lose the election, and obviously that didn't work. I'm totally innocent. I did nothing wrong. I think it's an embarrassment to New York, and New York has a lot of problems, but this is a great embarrassment.
After Trump took to Truth Social, writing, "I was given an unconditional discharge. That result alone proves that there is no case. There was never a case, and this whole scam fully deserves to be dismissed. Today's event was a despicable charade." Trump faced the possibility of up to 4 years in jail, but Judge Juan Merchan opted for no punishment, noting Trump will be protected by presidential immunity when he is inaugurated in 10 days.
Trump, the ordinary citizen, Donald Trump, the criminal defendant, would not be entitled to such considerable protections. It was the citizenry of this nation that recently decided that you should once again receive the benefits of those protections. Sir, I wish you Godspeed as you assume the second term in office. Thank you.
Trump says he will appeal this case. The timing of that is unknown. Trace?
Brian Yennis live for us outside the courthouse. Brian, thank you. Let's bring in former Assistant U.S. Attorney and Fox News contributor Andy McCarthy. Andy, great to have you on the show. It appears to me, when you look at all the balls in the air on this thing, that it really was Alvin Bragg and Juan Merchan wanting this conviction for the president-elect. Is that a fair assessment?
Yeah, it is, Trace. I think, they got really nothing out of this. They were going to get nothing out of it. So the one thing they wanted to insist on was that Trump get the scarlet letter of a criminal conviction on his record. The way the law works, criminal conviction's not entered on the record until sentencing happens, so that had to happen. And they were pretty desperate to get it. They made sure to say, no jail, no probation, no anything. And you don't even have to show up for the sentencing, but we do have to have the sentencing. And I think it's telling because what they told us during the trial, what they told the jury, what they told the country, was that the other crime that Trump committed in allegedly falsifying his business records was that he stole the 2016 election by not doing these disclosures. Leave aside that they're totally wrong about the disclosures. If you really believe that he stole the 2016 election, is a no jail sentence satisfactory?
Yeah, it's a very good point. Does he have decent grounds for appeal, good grounds for appeal, Andy? What's your take on that?
Yeah, I think, Trace, on everything from the establishment of the prosecution in the first place, meaning the statutory grounds they cited, the grand jury proceedings, the fact that the indictment didn't put them on notice of what the trial is. So even before the trial starts, I think they have big appellate issues. But the biggest thing is the judge did not make the jury find unanimously, beyond a reasonable doubt, what the other crime was that Trump allegedly committed. And it's black letter law that if you have a fact that impacts the sentence, and remember, this is the fact that changed this from a misdemeanor to a felony, that has to be found unanimously by a jury, and it just didn't happen here.
Yeah, Andy McCarthy, great analysis as always, sir. Thank you for coming on.
Thanks, Trace.
Meantime, for us, we are still live. Pacific Palisades, California, the acreage count keeps going up. We're at 20,000.